Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to insert drop shadow to a shape in Excel. Let's get started. At first you have to open your Microsoft Excel software, then open your Excel spreadsheet. Now you can see here are my sheet. Now I insert drop shadow to shape on this sheet. At first you have to go insert menu. Now click shapes drop down menu and click insert a shape. Now I insert a shape. Now I add drop shadow on this shape. At first you have to select this shape. Then go to shape format menu. Then you can see here are shape effects drop down menu. Click this drop down menu and choose shadow. Now you can see here are many shadow. Now you can choose any of those. Now I can choose this one. Now you can see I insert drop shadow to shape in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for